Hey there, it's Brian. In front of me, I have the Armor All foam cannon. So this foam cannon works with any gas or electric pressure washer from 500 psi up to 3500 psi. So here we have the topper. It includes an adjustment knob for the foam and another adjustment for the spray pattern. We've got ourselves a 40-ounce cup to hold the soap and the water. Feels like it's pretty good plastic used. We also have included in this package some soap. It works with any pressure washer with a 1/4-inch quick connect. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see this thing work. The foam adjustment feature and the spray nozzle adjustment features are real nice. Lets you have full control over how much foam you're putting down and where you're putting it down. I do like that on the side of the container you do have your fill marks on there in liters and ounces. And I would recommend using a shorter wand with this, but the long wand works excellent also. Great product to have. Did a good job on that truck. And yeah, this will definitely be staying in my detailing kit and be using it more in the future.